This is another hand rest, and this is a foot rest. This is the foot rest. Now it has got two operations. This base will raise and this flap will change its angle. Now when you push this syringe, the flap will increase. Now if I push it backward, the flap will become flat. Push it again to raise the flap. Pull it back to lower the flap for sleeping or taking a rest position. Now let us move it backward. Now let us also study how this chair will be raised. Now when you push it, the entire chair will raise. When you pull it, the chair will lower. Now let us see the operation in another direction. Now the chair is being raised. Again you pull it back, the chair will lower. When you push it, it will raise. When you pull it, it will flatten.